Vanman Removals are an Edinburgh-based removal company, and we've been trading in Edinburgh since 2005. We've got a genuine reputation for providing customers with value for money. We move single items and anything up to a 3-bedroom property. Most of our work is in Edinburgh, but we do travel nationwide, especially for small movers trying to save some money. We're also ideal for alternative van hire. If you're looking to pick up a single item at short notice, give us a call. We can also give impartial advice on storage facilities in the Edinburgh area. We do store collections, and we know how to move antiques and art. Our vans are fully equipped with blankets and trolleys and ties. We're fully skilled in what we do, and we've got a genuine excellent reputation. So if you want to give Martin a call, please do. 0773 026 3353. You might actually save some money.